Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today, we will talk about one of the greatest Indians in history, a man who was a scientist, a teacher, a writer, and the President of India. He was called the Missile Man of India, the People's President. His name was Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. He was born poor. He had no money, no big support, but he had dreams, discipline, and determination. This is his inspiring life story. Dr. Kalam was born on calendar October 15, 1931, Rampushpan, Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. His full name was Abdul Kalam Abdul Kalam. His father was Jainulabdin, a boat owner and imam. His mother was Ashama, a kind housewife. His family was poor, but they were honest and simple. Young Kalam sold newspapers to help his family. He worked hard from childhood. He learned respect, discipline, simplicity, hard work. These values stayed with him forever. Kalam was a good student. He loved mathematics, science, learning new things. After school, he studied physics at St. Joseph's College, aerospace engineering at Madras Institute of Technology. He wanted to become a fighter pilot, but he failed. He was rejected. He was sad, but he did not quit. He said, "Failure is a lesson." He chose another path, science. Kalam joined ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Later, he joined DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. He worked on missiles, rockets, space projects. He led important projects like Agni missile, Prithvi missile, SLV-3. In 1980, India launched its first satellite. Kalam played a big role. India became strong in technology. Because of him, people called him Missile Man of India. In 1998, India conducted nuclear tests. At Pokhran, Kalam was a key leader. These tests made India powerful. The world respected India more. But Kalam always said, power should be used for peace. He believed in development, not destruction. In 2002, Kalam became India's 11th President of India. He was called the People's President. Why? Because he met students. He listened to people. He stayed simple. He lived like a normal man. He did not love luxury. He loved books. He loved teaching. He loved youth. His dream was make India a developed nation. Dr. Kalam loved children. He visited schools, colleges, villages. He spoke about dreams, discipline, education, confidence. He said, dream big. Dreams become thoughts. Thoughts become actions. He answered students' emails. He encouraged poor children. He believed youth is the future of India. Kalam was also a writer. He wrote many books. Blue Book Wings of Fire, Blue Book Ignited Minds, Blue Book India 2020, Blue Book My Journey. These books inspire millions. His ideas: strong education system, clean environment, digital India, self-reliance. He wanted India to lead the world. Even as president, he lived simply. He had no personal house, no big property, no bank balance, only books, clothes, and memories. After his death, it was found he had no wealth, only knowledge, only respect, only love. On July 27, 2015, Dr. Kalam was giving a lecture at IIM Shillong. While teaching students, he collapsed and passed away. He died doing what he loved, teaching. The whole nation cried. India lost a gem. Let us learn from him. 1. Dream big. Never think small. 2. Work hard. Success needs effort. 3. Stay humble. Be simple. 4. Never give up. Failure is a teacher. 5. Respect time. Use every day. 6. Love your country. Serve your nation. 7. Keep learning. Knowledge is power. Friends, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam was not born great. He became great with hard work, honesty, dreams, Discipline. From newspaper boy to President of India. His life says, if he can do it, you can do it too. Follow his path. Respect your parents. Study well. Work hard. Stay honest. Become the pride of India. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind India. Keep dreaming. Keep growing.